You have been sleeping on one of the most powerful editing tools inside Descript. It's called the Underlord. Most people don't even know it exists. But if you create content, podcasts, faceless videos, or YouTube shorts, this will actually change how fast and how good your editing becomes. I've been creating videos for a couple of years. I've used Premiere Pro, DaVinci, CapCut, but Descript Underload is the future of fast, intelligent editing. And in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to exactly grab the full potential out of it. After coming to this website, simply drag and drop any of your videos wherever you want. And first, you will be seeing that underload section here. There are some sections like first one is sound good. It has sound good, look good, repurpose, publish, right. It has everything that's sectioned. Like in the sound good section, you can edit your sound like podcast, remove the filler words with one click, remove your retakes, shorten word gaps. So you can shorten the word gaps. Even you can add the chapters to your video. On the look good section, you can add the eye contact, which is, if you, just in case you were not able to look at the camera while reading a script, it's totally fine. Everyone does that. And here are some features which are coming. Right now they're in beta version. The green screen effect, removing the green screen, as you have already read this. You can even generate a war image. Right now it's not that good, but yeah, it will be great in the future to cancel it. But the thing I love the most is the repurpose one, because if you're a podcaster, you also need to repurpose those to shorts, reels, or even TikToks. This one's great for you. Just simply add our podcast and click create clips, and as you can see, it has some pre-built templates. You can even see more layouts like this. As you can see, it has lots of them. There are some vertical pre-built templates which you can also use if you want. Even you can just add a topic and it will automatically generate video layout according to that topic, which is actually great. Yes. And on the right section, you can write script like just email. You can write starting point. You can write scripts like tone, audiences, examples, custom instructions. You can give this AI as much as information as you can, and it will literally create an auto generated script for you, which is actually great. Even if you want to rewrite your script, you can do this with this website. Now let's talk about limitations, because every AI tool has some of them. This one's limitation is over polishing. Sometimes it makes things too corporate. If you are casuals, you will want to tweak the output a little bit. No context beyond the transcript. Underload doesn't know what's off screen. Keep your prompts tight and clear. Don't blindly trust it. Always review before publishing it. It's an assistant, not a replacement. Underload is not just a gimmick. It's an AI powered workflow hack that's going to be standard practice for editors, podcasters, and creators within a year. Master it now while most people are still stuck in manual hell. I have been editing for a couple of years. Underload is the tool I wish I had years ago. Now that we do, don't waste it.